Inkie to Southie. Ink block to South Boston. Coming out here onto Harrison. Be real careful. Oh, I'm right in front of the fire department. No sirens running. We'll stay right here. Right side the ink block. A lot of art galleries over here. They got a little market. Wish they would extend 42 right up here. We could probably come here a lot more. But we can cycle here, even though the road's terrible. All right, heading up Harrison. We'll get into South Boston. All right, crossing Berkeley. Worst roads, look at this. Hitting Traveler, we're gonna take a right. Taking a right on Traveler. I got a green here. I don't know who's turning or not. This guy might be, it looks like. Got a green ahead, so I gotta pop now. Definitely want to make this safely. And we got the hill on the bridge. Longfellow. Coming down towards Broadway. You can see the bike lane layout. Huge divot there. I missed it, obviously, and I missed avoiding it. All right, came over the bridge from Inkie. I got the Aussie now, pedestrian, I'm using it. Broadway red line to the right. Now we're on Broadway. I'm gonna stay here because I'm gonna go left on A. Good old A Street, very useful. See, I got this truck, but I can't tell who's behind him. I'm gonna go left, so I'm gonna be real careful. Now I'm over here in this bike lane. We'll do more videos getting you Southie into Seaport. Ink block to South Boston.